No Thunderbolt this time? I don't even hear the Thunderbolt. Barely. That thing is so damn loud. There it is. Yeah, it's like toned down so much.
This one is loud.
Yeah, it's very loud. Get up over there by those O2 Goodmans. That thing is screaming over there. Classic Reams. Oh my God, that is ear-piercing loud. Holy shit. Oh, there's a Thunderbolt. You can...
I needed a headache from that.
I think I'm gonna turn around. Holy crap. By the Rudd heat pump and by the Rudd heat pump. Oh, there's the Thunderbolt 1000.
Yeah.
That's the one over by SD Silver Dollar City. I'm going back to Mr. Thunderbolt.
You can barely hear it.
I know. I'm kind of pissed. I'm pissed off about it. I'm pissed about it. Thunderbolt's like my favorite freaking siren here. There it is. Now, by those 2002 Goodmans, that thing is loud over there right now.
Last time we came here, there's a complete different siren.
And that's the one we just heard. Here's yeah, you can barely hear that Thunderbolt from here. It's so much quieter down here. There it is. Here's the unit I just caught starting up. It's been running for over 10 minutes now. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, the Thunderbolt definitely does. No, dude, that Wayland 29, yeah, that Wayland WPS 2907 was screaming loud.
Dude, I started getting a headache from that.
I didn't even want to go toward the freaking, what is it? Nothing's running down here.
I'm gonna start calling that with an ear piercer.
Yeah, might as well. Anyway, over and out.